Okay, today we are making Kolaczki cookies, and you need 3 cups of flour, which I already put in there, and I have allergies to gluten, so I'm going to make 2 separate ones. So anyways, and then you need 2 sticks of butter and a thing of cream cheese, one thing of cream cheese, okay? And I put just a little drop of vanilla in there as well. So I'm going to show you how to make the Kolaczkis, the dough. I had this on like 2 for probably about 3 or 4 minutes already, just to show you what consistency you want it once you put the butter, the flour, and everything in there, okay? All right. So anyways, I'm just going to show you. So it looks like that. What I do is I take them and I squash them almost so like they're round, okay? So that you can make cookies out of them. Okay? Do that. And then I'll let you know how my gluten-free ones come out. Anyway, so my daughter Amanda wanted to make cookies with me today so she can learn how, but I'm sure she's probably still sleeping. So anyways, you buy these, I usually go with the Solo. There's different flavors to put on top once you get the cookies going. Apricot and cherry is what I have today. So this is for like 1 batch of Kolaczki. I'm gonna be honest, and you should also have powdered sugar because I always put that on top. And they come out really good. Okay? So you just kind of knead it together so that you can make it almost circular. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I just want to show you. So there's still more in there, but I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? So I usually use the parchment paper too. It's just easier. And then I'll show you really fast. Okay, so you cut, I don't know, I mean about that size off. I don't have it completely. What you're going to do is once you have your cookie sheet, I'm just going to show you so that you know how to put it on and put it in the oven. Watch out. Come on. Alright, so I probably should have had this ready. I put the oven on 350. It depends on your oven. So you're not getting cookies. Anyways, you really just push down so that there is a circle, okay? And I don't even have this open, I'm sorry. So we'll talk for a minute as we're going. And you'll see it takes only about maybe 10 minutes to cook. And once they come out, then you put the powdered sugar on top of it. Get out of here. These puppies are trying to get some Kolaczkis. I can't even eat it. Okay. So, it's kind of sloppy, so I'm just going to put it there for now. Okay, just to show you how you would put the cookie in the oven. So then you would put some on top and let it bake in the oven, okay? And the can goes a long way. You can make a lot of them. So I just want to show you how it looks, okay? So 2 sticks of butter, 1 container of cream cheese, 3 cups of flour. Now I'm going to try and make a gluten-free one where there's a little less flour. I'll let you know what the combo is. Same amount of butter, same amount of cream cheese, and a little dash of vanilla. Okay? Thank you.